Tatang siya. Tapos nilagay na namin sa frame. O yan.
Ayan yung letter.
Mababasa ng madla.
Mababasa ba natin kay Charmaine?
Babasahin ko, nahiya ako.
O gusto mo si Aiza na lang ang magbasa? Si Aiza na, ikaw na magbasa, Aiza.
English eh.
Okay.
Sira.
Uy, my dearest, dati dear lang.
Ganon.
Umaangat na ako. My dearest Aiza, hey friend, it's me again. I'm writing you to let you know how much our friendship means to me. Totoo ako. I don't think I've ever written to you before, so don't be tense. Natatense ako. I won't mention any of our secrets in this letter. Good. I remember the first few times we met years back in Itbulaga. You were just a little girl. Sobrang little Miss Philippines days pa yun. Hehehe. You used to ask everyone the real names and you fancied my name, I think. Because you must have asked me 3 times because it was different to remember. I was impressed when you remember my name the following times we saw each other. You remembered it na. Ay. I always thought of you as a smart girl. Thanks, Brenda. And I still do. I've met a lot of friends in this business, but only a few I keep close to my heart, and you are definitely one of them. Mainly because you've remained so true and honest. Iba ka, Ice. I'll never forget the times when you were there for me when I was down. Thank you for the times when you came to the house to cheer me up, play ng guitar to sing for me. Remember that time? It was the lowest part of my life and I didn't know who my friends were. But you were there for me. You were there to cheer me up. You never asked me about intrigues but always made me feel I had a friend. I want you to know that I couldn't be happier with the success you have in your new career. You certainly most deserve it. After all the pain and trials you went through, it's all worth it now that you are... Ano to, Tisha?
That you are where you are.
Where you are. I wish you more success in your career and happiness in your personal life. I'll always be here for you. Love, Sha. Thank you so much. I love you.
Thank you, Charmaine. Thank you very much.
Saya ko naman.
Tuloy ang kantahan. Kayo sa bahay, mag-join na kayo sa pagbabalik ng Sis!
Mga sis, makijam sa pinakamamahal nating idolo, Aiza Seguera, with her songs Akala Mo, Till There Was You, Pakisabi Na Lang, Power of Two, Palagay Ko, Mahal Kita at marami pang iba. Aiza Seguera's second album under Vicor Records, Pinakamamahal, available na.
Akala mo hindi ko pansin. Always be. We are sisters. We are sisters.
Woo! Well, nag-iisa ako ngayon. Nanay Vicky, para sa'yo tong kanta na to. Kakanta rin kayo, ha? Promise? Alam niyo ba tong kanta? Promise?
Kayo ba ay may huggable and cuddly chikiting ages 3 years old and below na may kakyutang ginawa at na-capture nyo on film? Sumali at manalo sa aming Ang Cute Mo Baby Ko. Simple lang, magpadala ng pinakamagandang picture ng inyong mga babes. Mas candid, mas okay at ipadala sa Ang Cute Mo Baby Ko. Care of Sis Production Office, 8th floor, GMA Network Center, EDSA, corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Huwag kalimutang isulat sa papel ang pangalan ng baby nyo, edad at address. Isama na rin ang pangalan ni Mommy and Daddy. Magkwento na rin about the picture. At kung ang pinadala nyo ang maswerteng mapipiling baby picture sa lahat ng entries, kayo ay makakatanggap ng exciting prizes mula sa Ang Cute Mo Baby Ko. Dito lang sa Sis.
Always be. We are sisters. We are sisters.
As a multi-talented artist, Aiza is well-loved not just by her fans, but as well as the people she works with. Please watch this.
Aiza, congratulations sa lahat-lahat ng success mo dun sa bago mong kanta, yung Stupid Love. Hindi ba sa iyo? Hindi ba sa kanya? Congratulations sa'yo, Aiza, and more power, best wishes sa career mo.
Napakarami mo ng awards at medyo nakakasawa ka na i-congratulate. Pero we're so happy for you. Talagang you deserve it. Lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, talagang ngayon mo inaani lahat ng mga prutas ng iyong paghihirap. Lalim nun, ha? Anyway, congratulations to you, Aiza. We wish you the best, more of the best, and we love you.
Hi! Aising! Ang layo mo na. Pero okay lang. Keep it up. Okay? Sa'yo, ang masasabi ko lang, more power. Good luck to your singing career. Pwede!
Eto, kahit kailan.